Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you a cute little garden I stumbled across today, a little veggie garden growing beside a building. They had a couple of apple trees and a fig tree on this slope. I like slopes that run towards a garden because it sort of channels water to where it needs to go. There's the apple trees there. Very nice. Really, really hot day out, so I was just kind of walking around looking for shade, and then just kind of walked down this random pathway and stumbled into this little community garden. Certainly seems to be lots of those popping up, but as you can see, they're utilizing the heat off of the glass and the stucco from the building to heat the vegetables. So they've got some lettuce and some kale and I think some cabbage as well there in the shadier spot, and then they've got beans and tomatoes running the whole length of it. I don't know why I felt compelled to film myself just to prove I was actually there, but there you go. And as you can see, it's fairly simple. It looks like they just dug up whatever grass was there, and they did put in a little bit of a raised bed section here with some of the beans, and they've got a soaker hose running the length of it that connected to one of the outdoor faucets. They even had some strawberries growing. Oh, that's basil there. Right, I forgot about the basil. I think there were some peppers. A really, really beautiful little garden, dug very simply, but with some good design. So I think what matters most when we're gardening in urban environments and we're trying to grow food in small spaces is really just to kind of have a bit of a plan and think through how can we utilize the things that we do have rather than trying to fix a ton of problems. So if you have a really hot spot beside a building, consider turning that into a garden bed for growing your seasonal annual crops.